Hello! You need to carry out revisions for your projects? We have a solution for that. For example, if drawings have changed in the project, you write a comment and select a reason. Create new version, and the old version is now locked for editing. Carry out needed changes in the new version. Import new drawings to Eziil. Change the names of the assemblies or details and replace the drawings with relevant rows. Check the drawings and make the changes in dimensions, quantities or in technology when needed. Revision is completed and history is saved. You do not have to worry about getting lost in your emails or file server to track the changes. This how it's done in Eziil. Thank you.